We spent our Memorial Day weekend at Quakertown SRA. Just my wife, myself, our daughter, our granddaughter, and our dog. Here's a little clip of us getting loaded up, ready to roll out. The dog is enjoying this ride, and now we've arrived.
No, Dad, I just take a picture right there. Why is it?
But come here.
It's called see. Look at Wes is right here.
Yeah. Oh, Wes peeing on Mommy's car.
Yeah. What the? Mom, hey, Mama.
Oh, is he recording? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Good morning. Hip hip cheerio.
We're having Cheerios?
Good
No.
morning. Good morning.
Marissa?
Good morning.
Now, here we are at Quakertown SRA, May 23rd to the 26th, Memorial Day weekend. This is our site we were on. It was actually quite level. Q75 for Quakertown, but site 75 at Quakertown. It was right on the end, near the dumpster.
Very nice site.
It was a great site. It was level. It was large. For whatever reason, I remember the park sounding really quiet, other than the birds, all weekend. And later in the video, you find that we were desperately misremembering it.
We are close to the dumpster right there, but you don't smell it. At least we were there. It was not hot or anything, so.
It seemed to get dumped daily on a holiday weekend, which was quite nice. And our granddaughter were with us for this trip. It was our granddaughter's very first time
Camping.
She's quite smitten with it, at least at this point. And she hasn't been on another one yet because her mother's very anti-camp. Now, if there are any single men out there with a forgot the style she likes.
Not sure what you're trying to refer to.
She'd like to fight a single man with a Montana fifth wheel. She's looking for one, and she's having a rough time finding one.
Yes, gentlemen, she is available.
Alright, we're gonna check out the men's room here. It's not much to write home about. Got a urinal, a couple stools, some sinks, a blow dryer, showers. Let's look at the men's room.
Okay, so we have, as soon as you walk in, we got 3 stalls. They just got cleaned. They just got stained up. And a bigger one. Then over here, we have your sinks. It's kinda, And then your showers. It gets really wet in here. Like, it was really wet. This is just an idea of what they look like. They're kind of yucky, but yep. There you go. We got 5 of these.
All right. Well, next we're gonna visit the restrooms at the beach. Oh, and the beach area that was technically so chilly. I think highs were only in like the low 60s, upper 50s for Memorial Day weekend 2025.
Yeah, it was too cold to be down at the beach or anything like that. So I didn't get to see a lot of that.
Now, this is the shower house, beach area, changing area for the men. I didn't go in the women's side.
And I'm sorry, ladies, I didn't get an inside of the women's area. So
The men's side doesn't look so bad, so I can't imagine the women have their side overly messed up too much.
why not? That's safe. See her?
Actually, usually women are.
No?
But I do. Quakertown seems to be it's a nice little park. It's cute. It's little. It's not overly busy, but it just seems like it doesn't get nearly the love it should.
Yeah. A lot of rundown areas.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't mind to see what it would take from if the state would allow normal folks to go in there, volunteer some time. If the state would buy the materials and the volunteers come in and make some repairs and fix things up, this could be a very, very nice place. And it is an SRA, so it runs differently than a state park.
Mm-hmm.
Now the beach, from the view that we had of the beach looks quite nice. Here you have a ramp going down to the beach for your wheelchair, stairs for people that love stairs.
I think that's nice. They have a ramp
Yeah.
for, handicap accessible.
And has a large parking lot for sure. Here the only thing that came out of breakfast is the video for breakfast froze, so I was only able to get bacon on from the video. The video ran fine at one point, but then it didn't, and so now we have some bacon. But no, we did eat food other than bacon.
Well, who doesn't love bacon? So, hey.
Well, I don't know. Who works at a steakhouse that's a vegetarian?
We have had some of that. Yeah. Well, I love bacon, so.
I think next we're gonna float off into the Marina area. Now the Quakertown Marina, it offers both seasonal and annual dockage options. Seasonal dock rates for pontoons are $1,300, and for cruisers 28 foot or less is $1,900. Annual dockage rates for houseboats is $3,640 for B docks and $3,100 even for C docks. And that's to Quakertown Marina. Buoy rentals are also available for $450 to $900 per year. And now all of this information can be found on the Indiana.gov. Also on Indiana.gov, you can find the rules and regulations for the gun range at state parks. And I'm actually quite surprised at all the facilities that have ranges. There's an archery, rifle, shotgun, handgun, trap, and skeet shooting at Atterbury. And then in Brookville Lake, of course, Cecil Harding, Clark State Forest, Crossley, Deer Creek, Hardy Lake, Roush Lake, Jackson, Washington State Forest. And there are several other locations. Here we have a picnic area that seems to be overgrown. That there's another volunteer opportunity, I think, where somebody could show up with a lawnmower, weed eater, and clean this up so that it's more usable.
Definitely not maintained very good on those areas.
Now here we have another little. This is down towards the fishing pier where where the fishing pier is. This little sidewalk here runs you over to the beach area. It's a lovely view of the lake.
It's a beautiful day.
And then there's the fishing pier. Hamburgers and hot dogs are starting to look a little good.
Mm-hmm.
Some of those hot dogs are looking a little burnt. here we go with our daily trash removal.
That was pretty interesting to watch, I will say. Never really actually sat and watched.
Isn't that weird how that whole thing lifts up like that?
Yeah.
Just those things they strap on.
Yeah. I think so. Yeah.
You want to go ask if he's single? I can introduce you.
No.
We have a 2-bay dump station here, but technically 1 bay is basically useless because the way it's set up. And the campground control gate.
Alrighty, well now this video is about a wrap. We did have a Philly cheesesteak pudgy pie that we will put the link in the description for the video.
No, this particular place doesn't have any trails at all, so just know that when you go. And the whole park or the whole place was full. I mean, park, you know what I mean?
Although now Whitewater State Park and Brookville Mound State Park are both really close, and they have several trails and things that you can utilize there. We did go to Whitewater and grab showers once just because there's showers. Sure, but don't tell anybody. They frown on you doing that.
Yeah.
And we did do some cooking. There's not a lot of shots of it in here, but we did, and we did thoroughly enjoy this park.
We did. We would go back, definitely.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I don't know if there's anything else.
No, I mean the park wasn't great. Little rundown. I mean, it could use some more volunteers, but there have been some massive budget cuts at the state level this year. They're trying to cut money out of everything, and the state parks are suffering. Everything's suffering right now, trying to get the budget under control.
Alrighty. Well, thanks for hanging out with us at dinner. It's been a lazy day.
Thanks while I was eating yesterday.
Our daughter decided that she did indeed like us.
Mama, you hear me?
Decided to come
I
back
said
from
thanks
Florida.
for giving me food
But now she dearly
yesterday.
misses the weather. It's the coldest Memorial Day weekend on record, and I think it's the 60s, I believe. Where are we at again?
Camping?
Quakertown?
Quakertown SRA.
Papa? What?
Marissa, our daughter, is scared of the camera.
Papa, what is that in the hot dog?
She's afraid she's going to look too thin.
No, right here in the hot dog.
There's nothing in the hot dog.
Oh, I remember this dip now.
No.
It's so good.
There's a hot dog.
No, right here.
It got cooked a little longer than it should have.
Huh?
I may have
cooked longer.
eaten it with tomatoes.
I want to eat that.
You want some?
Mm-hmm.
You want a tomato with it?
No,
No?
I put it right here.
What?
I went over to fetch my coffee and forgot.
Inside. It's inside. I want potatoes. I want potatoes.
That's a tomato.
Tomato. Well, I got the potatoes before.
You like your burger, Mama?
I don't know. I haven't got to try it yet. Marissa was pounding me a little. Oh,
Mine got a little overdone.
my bread.
That's a bad batch of hot dog buns. You gotta chew that.
And a little juicy.
Thanks, Dad.
What?
Not saying that.
Well, I told her they were juicy
No.
because it squirted out when she bit into it. Like I was like, those are a little juicy.
Oh.
She'd be like, call me. Yeah, I'll make it juicy for you.
Yeah.
I like cheese. Everything.
You're supposed to dip your chip in.
Quakertown gave us memories we'll talk about for years. From early morning garbage trucks to evening s'mores, this was family camping at its best.